this lecture, I'm going to show you how to install the free version of Formidable Forms. After that, in the next lecture, we will install the Pro version, and I'll explain how that all works as well. Okay, so to install the free version, you simply go to your plugins and click on Add New. And then up here, type in Formidable. It will go out and find it. Click on Install Now. Click on Activate. And the free version of Formidable Forms is now installed. You can see that it also showed up with a menu item over here and various other items which we'll be going through at a later date. Okay, that's all there really is to it. So in the next lecture, I will show you how to install the professional version.